Hi, it's Raylan. I just wanted to get on here and review the Sounder One Age Away Intensifying Serum, and wow, this packs a huge punch. The ingredients are so powerful, science-based, and it is amazing. So not only are we going to get rid of those fine lines, not only are we going to plump and smooth, but it is also going to reduce the oxidative damage from UV rays. So if you're out and about outdoors, it is going to get rid of the premature aging process from those UV rays from the sun. So goodbye to that sun. We want the vitamins, we don't want the harshness. If you already have damage from the sun, it's going to boost the skin's own regenerative power, so it is going to help your own skin get more powerful. Great for anyone who has sensitive skin because it's going to be very hydrating and it's not going to be irritating. It has ergothioneine, which is a powerful antioxidant that is going to plump and get rid of those fine lines. And on average, skin elasticity has improved 55% in about 30 days. It has nanotriceps, which is going to diminish fine lines and plump the eye, and nanoedabenin, which is going to fight free radical damage. So you're just going to take about 3 to 5 drops in your hand and then put it on your face. Make sure to stay away from the eye area. She's very hydrating, very lightweight. I don't feel like anything's on her. I thought it was a lost cause until I found this because my skin has been so kissed by the sun. I didn't think there was anything that could repair it, but this has definitely helped soften all of those kisses from the sun. Thanks, sun. My skin feels so hydrated and feels so glass-like. There's that plump. And my skin feels much more elastic and much more soothing. 10 out of 10 recommend. Give me 10 more of them, please.